Good afternoon. We just want to give you a tour on our small garden at the front yard. And this is your lazy tech gardener. So you can see here, a lot of things are going on in here. So we have, this is an old bathtub. There's a worm farm. We put the food scraps in that bucket. We poke holes at the side, and then we put some worms in it, and then the worms will go out, and then when we feed them, we put the food scraps, and then they go in, and then they go out if you want to roam around. So here we have some cherry tomatoes that are growing nicely, producing a lot of fruits. See, a lot of fruits. That's another fruit. That's another bunch of fruits. There's another fruit in there. So a lot. And these lettuces we're trying to grow some seeds from them. And this is a basil one, really amazing. And this one is it was damaged previously. It was accidentally has been cut in here, but we let it grow, and yeah, it produces chili for us, which is really awesome. And that one is another sweet potato. Tomato. And this one is these are two 200-liter bucket or tub that are growing on a wicking bed. Wicking bed is basically you have a reservoir underneath, and then you have that's gonna work as a reservoir underneath, and you have sweet potato in it, lettuce, and this is Thai basil, sweet basil. That's chili at the back, and we try to grow as much as possible. So apparently we managed to figure out which one grows really well together. This one is with basil. We let it flower because we use it for our tea daily. So yeah, and this is another bucket. So there are two buckets in here, twin buckets. So you can see this is where we water initially when it's not fully automated, but because it's consuming a lot of time, too much time for us, so we try to automate it as much as possible. And it's fully automated. It is connected into the main. And this is another tub in it, so you can see those lines in there. They are all connected, and these are all connected. You can see that's popular brand of biscuits in the Philippines, Skyflakes. And that one, it is connected into the main. And I'll show you real quick on that. And that one is a float valve, and that one has a compost tea on it, and then it is maintained by this float valve in there. And the way it works, I'll discuss it thoroughly next time, so that you can automate your garden without worrying of getting not enough water on them. So these ones, you can see it's packed, same to 100 liters of growing tub, same thing as that one. So it has the level of the water goes up to here, probably 4 to 5 inches of water, and then yeah, so the plants can thrive without you watering them at all. So that one is a really hot chili, Carolina Reaper, and those ones are basil, sweet potato in it. And this one is one of the main really amazing plant in here. That's 300 scorpion. I never see a chili like this big. It almost looks like a capsicum, but they are chili, and we're really excited to taste them. So this one is here. We actually use this bucket as a that's a fig tree, but this one we grow so that it'll serve a nursery with that fig tree in there. But surprisingly, there's a volunteer tomato in it. So that tomato in there, and now it is producing fruit for us. See, we never planted that. It is just a volunteer, so we let it grow. And you can see here it's all connected into that main water tank or reservoir. And so that one there, and the line it's there, and then all connected. So this one is just continuously dripping for the sweet potatoes, that drop, that bit of a drop in there. So that's it. So that's how we garden. You know, we're trying to make it efficient as possible. So that one is not really good tomatoes. We got it from Bunnings, and it was on sale, and apparently it's already damaged, so we just let it grow there, and we got some tomatoes in it, and which is, you know, awesome. But we might be cutting it so that it's not gonna spread the disease anymore. This one is really strong basil minty flavor, which is the purple basil. And that one, and the other part of the garden is that, so that is all connected into that one main tank in there. They're all interconnected. We don't water them at all. I mean, we don't water them manually, so they are all interconnected into just one reservoir there, and that's it. You can grow plants even if you are full-time working. You work in IT as a data engineer, and I try to grow food as much as possible for the family. That is why we have this, you know, set up, and it's fully automated. And yeah, that's it. So this is your lazy tech gardener, and see you again in the next videos. Thank you.